Buying a home can be one of the most exciting and overwhelming moments of your life. But don't worry. In today's video, I'm sharing my ultimate guide to home buying tips and strategies that will help you make confident and informed decisions. Whether you're a first-time buyer or just need a refresher, these 10 essential tips will set you up for success. Let's get started. The first step to buying a home is knowing how much you can afford. Your budget is the foundation for every decision you'll make in the process. Here's what to do. 1. Calculate your monthly income and expenses. 2. Use the 28-36 rule. Your mortgage payment should not exceed 28% of your gross monthly income, and your total debt payments shouldn't exceed 36%. 3. Don't forget to account for property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs. And pro tip, get pre-approved for a mortgage. This shows sellers you're serious and helps you stay within your budget. Before you start house hunting, make a list of your must-haves and deal breakers. This will save you time and energy by focusing only on homes that meet your criteria. Think about things like how many bedrooms and bathrooms you need, your preferred location, special features like a home office or a big backyard. And remember, differentiate between your must-haves and your nice-to-haves so you can make realistic compromises. Step 3 is all about location, location, location. The neighborhood you choose will impact your lifestyle and your home's long-term value. Here's what to research. School districts. Even if you don't have kids, good schools increase property values. Commute times and proximity to work or amenities. Local crime rates and community vibe. Visit neighborhoods at different times of the day to get a true sense of what it's like to live there. Your real estate agent can make or break your home buying experience. Choose someone who knows the local market, listens to your needs, and has a track record of success. Ask potential agents questions like, how long have you been in the business? How familiar are you with this neighborhood? What's your strategy for helping buyers in a competitive market? Step 5 is understanding the current real estate market. Is it a buyer's market or a seller's market? This can affect your strategy and how much you might need to offer. If prices are rising quickly, you might need to act fast. If prices are stable or declining, you could have more room to negotiate. Never skip a home inspection. Even if a home looks perfect, there could be hidden issues that cost you thousands down the road. A professional inspector will check everything from the roof to the foundation. Use their report to negotiate repairs or even reconsider the purchase if major problems are found. Closing costs can add up to 2 to 5% of the home's purchase price. These include things like lender fees, title insurance, and property taxes. Ask your lender for a detailed breakdown of closing costs early in the process so you're not caught off guard. Negotiation is key in the home buying process. From the purchase price to repairs, there are plenty of opportunities to advocate for yourself. Work with your agent to craft a competitive offer that reflects market conditions. Don't be afraid to ask for seller concessions, like covering part of the closing costs. Think about how this home will fit your life 5, 10, or even 20 years down the line. Will it meet your needs if your family grows or your job changes? Buying a home isn't just about today, it's about creating a space that grows with you. Finally, stay patient and positive. The home buying process can be stressful, but the right home is out there for you. Trust the process, and don't settle for something that doesn't feel right. Your dream home is worth the wait. And there you have it, my top 10 home buying tips and strategies to help you navigate the process with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone you know who's looking to buy a home. Have questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy house hunting.